Today I am reviewing the NIMO 15.6-inch IPS FHD gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding a laptop that perfectly bridges the gap between serious office productivity and smooth everyday gaming usually requires making a massive financial compromise. You are often forced to choose between a heavy, loud gaming rig that looks completely out of place in a meeting or a slim, underpowered office notebook that freezes up the moment you launch a demanding application. Enter the NIMO 15.6-inch Full HD IPS gaming and business laptop. This machine is a hidden gem in the market, specifically engineered to deliver top-tier performance for students, remote professionals, and gamers alike, without forcing you to carry around an absolute brick of a machine. Weighing in at a highly nimble 3.75 pounds, it manages to pack high-end hardware into a remarkably sleek, professional chassis that fits perfectly into a lecture hall, a boardroom, or your home desk. The true powerhouse driving this experience is its processing architecture. It features the AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor, which packs 6 cores and 12 threads capable of boosting up to a blazing fast 4.5 GHz. To put its raw power into perspective, this high-performance H-series chip comfortably outperforms standard mobile processors like the Intel i5-1335U. Because it is paired with 16 GB of next-generation, high-bandwidth DDR5 RAM, and a swift 512 GB solid-state drive, your computing experience is incredibly fluid. Boot times are nearly instant, applications launch without delay, and you can keep dozens of browser tabs active while running background apps without a single system stutter. Best of all, NIMO designed this specific model with future-proof expandability in mind, meaning you can easily swap or upgrade both the RAM and the storage down the line as your personal or professional data needs grow. When it comes to visuals and graphics, the integrated AMD Radeon 660M graphics processing unit is an absolute standout. It delivers stable, highly responsive frame rates for popular gaming titles, making it an excellent gateway for competitive gaming after your work is done. It also brings plenty of muscle for hardware-accelerated tasks like video editing or complex engineering simulations. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display rounds out the visual experience beautifully, offering sharp text rendering, excellent color depth, and wide viewing angles that are perfect for split-screen multitasking or streaming your favorite media. For professionals and students on the move, the physical design is packed with elite quality-of-life additions. It features dual full-function Type-C ports supporting power delivery and display out, allowing you to run multiple external monitors and charge the laptop using a single cable for an incredibly clean desktop environment. Speaking of power, it features a smart 53.58 watt-hour battery and includes a fast-charging 100-watt Type-C power adapter, allowing you to quickly juice up the system during a brief coffee break. Your physical data privacy and security are also completely locked down. An instant fingerprint sensor built directly onto the touchpad lets you bypass passwords securely, while a physically hidden webcam ensures your privacy is never compromised when you are off the clock. When the environment gets dim, the adjustable backlit keyboard shines, allowing for precise, quiet typing on late-night flights or in quiet dorm rooms. To top it all off, NIMO stands firmly behind their build quality by offering a massive, industry-leading 2-year manufacturer warranty alongside a 90-day worry-free return or exchange period, giving you complete peace of mind. Whether you need a premium student machine, a dependable business workstation, or a portable gaming computer, this NIMO laptop is an exceptional all-in-one value that delivers on every front.